how to fix the call recording option is missing on iPhone. Now on the iPhone, tap on settings. Then in settings, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on phone. Next, we scroll down and then tap on audio call recording and then tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Okay, so if this is turned off, you can see it will be missing. Okay, so in here it will be missing. So what you want to do is to go in here and switch it on. Now if you go back here, it's still not on because we need to end the call first. And now once I receive the call recording options will be available. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.